Hello everyone, my name is Mokhtar and welcome back with new video. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is English language. I know everybody knows this, but yes, I'm going to share some points in this video. If you are here new, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you will not miss any new update. So let's get started. English is the West Germanic language that originated in Anglo-Saxon England and is now one of the most widely spoken and studied language in the world, and it is the primary language in countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia and many others. It's also the global lingua franca, meaning it is commonly used as a common language for people who use different language for communicate, for people who speak different native language to communicate. So here I'm going to share some key points about the English language. First one is language family. English belongs to the Indo-European language family, specifically the Germanic branch. It share roots with the languages like German, Dutch. Second one is global use. It is spoken by over 1.5 billion worldwide, either as a first or second language. It is the official or national language for many countries and is used as a second language in many countries. Even you can see in India, people are using English for news, research and many other things. Third one is official language of international communication. English is the dominant language of international business, science, technology, diplomacy and entertainment. It is often the default language in international organizations like the United Nations, World Trade Organization and International Court of Justice. Fourth one is grammar and vocabulary. English has a relatively simple grammar system compared to other languages. It lacks of a lot of the complex inflection or cases found in languages Latin or Russian. However, it has a vast vocabulary borrowed from the many other languages, including Latin, French and Germanic languages. This makes English vocabulary rich but also challenging for learners due to its many exceptions and irregularities. Fifth one is alphabet. English uses the Latin alphabets consisting of 26 letters A to Z, which are used to words and sentences. Now, as I am explaining in the sentences, last and sixth, dialects and accent. There are many dialects and accent of English. For example, British English, American English, Australian English and Canadian English all have variation in pronunciation, vocabulary and even spelling like color. And why English is important for global communication, career opportunities and access to knowledge, because most of the things are written in English only. Even research also nowadays, like if PhD scholar doing research, so they are writing in English only. Huge amount of academic research are English only, and knowing English can open doors for international businesses, technology and tourism. A huge amount of world of academic research in English only. In short, English is a global language for the communication and a gateway to various opportunities in the modern world. So it's not just a language of a particular region, but a tool for a global connection. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you will not miss the upcoming update. Okay, bye.